I'm about to tell you right now that about 42% of the arguments, the negotiations that you're having in your professional life and in your personal life don't need to happen. Here's what ends up happening. We're working with somebody, they get hung up on one little thing. Maybe it's the fact that we don't have month-to-month pricing. Or maybe you're just simply trying to get your wife to go to a party at the place down the street that the creepy guy is gonna be there, right? And we get hung up trying to change the other person's mind, right? You don't need month-to-month pricing. Our yearly contracts are just fine. Or, come on, babe, the fact that creepy Bob is gonna be at this party, it's not such a big deal. We spend all of our time trying to change the other person's mind, and yet we don't even one single time check in with them to see if they'll do the thing we want them to do regardless. It sounds like this. Hey, just out of curiosity, is the fact that we don't have month-to-month pricing, is that stopping you from doing business with us? Or, hey babe, I just want to make sure that I'm clear here. Is the fact that creepy Bob is going to be at the party, is that stopping you from going to the party? You're gonna find that 42% of the time the person's gonna go, no, but I'm not happy about it. You don't have to change somebody's mind on everything to get them to do the thing you want them to do. Just simply check in and see if they're gonna do it anyways.